So now it's time to make you understand some complex coding, and along with that I have written the loading component, and we have the private route and admin route. So private route is very easy. You see, if we get the token, use selector will help us to connect with the React Redux and root tested for TypeScript, and we'll get it from the user reducer. So if there is a token, so okay, set okay initially will false, then if we get the token it will true, otherwise false. So outlet is very important. So what is outlet actually? Outlet is, if okay is true, then it will render to the child component of the private route. Okay, remember, it will go to the navigate to the child component of the private route. Otherwise, if no token, if okay is false, then it will go for loading. It will not allow to navigate to the child component of private routes. Okay, so here is the outlet. So outlet is component from React router that renders the message child routes. It will navigate to the child routes. So in the admin, so it has some this line is bit tricky and complex. So it is actually what is doing, I have written over here. So this is the double negation. Okay, so this is the code. This is the code. Okay, actually this is the double negation. So if user converts user to boolean, if user is true, the if you read this explanation, you will get a crystal clear idea. It is not, if it is not null, undefined, zero, or empty string, it will become true, otherwise it will become false. Token does not same for token. Okay, so for the const admin boolean can reads to define is defined is a boolean which is true if not only user is not null or undefined, then it will true. The user role of the user is admin. If the role is admin and it is not null or undefined, it will become true. Okay, and token is not null or undefined, then it will become true. So if these two things become true and user role is admin, then is admin is true. So is admin is true and we are set token is admin, so initially it is false. So to understand it is not very tough. Okay, so this hook runs when token or user changes. So when token or user changes, this is the use effect hook. Checks the user exist if the user role is admin and if the token is exist. So it checks if the user is exist and the user role is admin and if the token exists. So if it true and if it is true and role is admin, then is admin is true. Okay, so it has been set is admin is set to true. Okay, so if the user exists, okay, so if it is not null or undefined and user role is admin and token exists, then it is true, otherwise it is false. Then we are updating set admin, update the status variable okay based on whether the user is admin or not. So actually we are saying determining if is the user admin is because this is the admin route and this is the private route. Here we only just checking the token and here we only token and role, both things. Remember, here we only checking the token, but in admin routes we only checking both token and user. So this hook runs user changes if checks user exists if the user role is admin and if the token exists. Is admin set to true, otherwise false. Set okay admin updates the state. Okay, so we have the outlet. Okay, so this is bare minimum. So if user is null, it will loading. So if okay is admin, then it will allow to go to the outlet. Outlet will go in the admin routes child components. It will allow to navigate to the child component. Otherwise, it will loading. And we have loading over here. So loading is easy. So we are setting an interval. It will run. It has the current count, and it will reduce the countdown. So redirect once countdown is 0 to this path. So I have the explanation over here. So loading component countdown 3 to 0. Okay, 3 2 1 0. First 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. Once the count reaches 0, the navigate function redirects the user to a specific path. To the specific path, default is login. Okay, the current path location path name is passed as a state during navigation, allowing the application to remember where the user was before being redirected. This can be useful for redirecting the user back to the original page after the login. So this code is explaining that. Later we are clean up the countdown, and it has the image for loading. So this is very simple. I have explained the code. Even though if you don't understand, let me know. I will be happy to make you understand. Okay. So from the next tutorial, we will create our admin route and private route. And what will happen if the user login based on his role and user is token state, login state, he will be redirect automatically to the admin page or the user page. Okay. We'll do the functionality. Okay. So wait for the next tutorial. See you soon. Okay, now it's time to create admin and user dashboard. As we wanna redirect the user from, if he is admin, you will redirect to the admin dashboard. If he is user, you will redirect to the user dashboard. So get this functionality, what we need source pages, and on is admin and on is user. Okay. So in the admin section, we need dashboard.tsx. So RAFC this, sorry, this is admin dashboard. Okay, and user. This is user board. So okay, we have created admin and user dashboard. Now it's time to connect it in our app. Okay, so in the app, what we need route path dashboard. Okay, and element private route. It will come from component. Okay, so dashboard private route. So private route, so route path. Okay, route path equal to user and element equal to user dashboard. So I am renaming dashboard auth dashboard. So admin dashboard inside user. Sorry, I have created the dashboard in the wrong place. So we should cut here and paste here. Okay, so this is admin dashboard. I am renaming it. Admin dashboard, and that is user dashboard. User dashboard. Okay, so now come to the, so this is, should be user dashboard. User dashboard. So user dashboard will come from user dashboard. Okay, and we need another thing for admin dashboard. Okay, the private route, this is admin route. Admin route. Okay, so admin route will come from admin route. Okay, and this is admin dashboard. Admin dashboard. So it will automatically import admin dashboard, paste admin dashboard. So I think we are done, and we need to connect it to the menu, in the menu section. So in the next tutorial we will connect menu section with the user dashboard and admin dashboard, so that whenever people will log in, automatically he will redirect to the admin dashboard or user dashboard. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial. So now it's time to create something, and I have created the menu. I have do something, that is menu is now very nice looking. So what I have done over here, I have just created an design. So what you need to do, npm install and design. There is a library, almost like this is the css library, React css library. Okay, and d, you can go over here and d and design. Okay, so I have installed it, and previously we have installed React icons and for shopping bag and shopping cart. So you will understand this is not very tough. And what the tricky part I have done over here is that I have bring user over here. So user will come from Redux, reducer, use reducer. Can you remember in the at the time of login and register, we updated the user by state and action, right? So we will get the users over here whenever they will log in. Okay, not only user but also the token. So right now we are retrieving the user from the use reducer. So if you have any confusion, you can console log user. Okay, so user, and I have disperse, use disperse for React Redux, and navigate, use navigate, and I have use navigate, and navigate is to redirect, say navigate slash login. And another thing I have used over here is logout. So whenever it is logout, we need to clear the local storage, remove item auth. So in the, can you remember in the login and register page, we are updating, you see local storage, we are setting local storage auth. Now it's time to removing this auth. So for removing our local storage and disperse user not exist and navigate to login. So user not exist will come from reducer. User not exist. You see, this is user not exist. Okay, user not exist. And whenever user not exist, state.loading will be false, state.user will be false. But previously state.user is action.payload.user. But this time state.user equal to null, state.token equal to null. It will return to its previous state. Okay, so it will be null or empty. Okay, so for it will log out, then it will log out as user not exist. It will become null, and it will redirect to login page. So I have done that. And another thing I have, so whenever people use click to the dashboard, they will go to the dashboard and it will dynamically render. Like if the user role is admin, then it will go to the admin, or otherwise user. So if the user role is admin, then it will go to the user admin dot dashboard, otherwise user dashboard. Previously we have built, and rest of the things are same. So we have been created React icons, logout, badge, and design, and very simple things. Even though if you don't understand, you can let me know. I will make you understand. So, and what I achieve, we achieve that whenever if anyone register, if his role is admin, you will redirect to the admin page. Otherwise, you will redirect to the login page. And in our database, you see that Khalid is admin. Okay, but rest of the users are merely users. Sabir is user, Shakil View is user, Kamran is user, Kobir is user. So rest of the users are users. So let's see whether it will happen. But to do this, what we need? We need go to the login page. So after login, here after login, we need to do navigate. So navigate, from where we'll get the navigate? Navigate will come from const navigate equal to use navigate. It will come from use navigate. Okay, navigate, navigate. Okay, use navigate. So we should bring the use navigate. Use navigate is already there. Yes, use navigate is already here. So navigate, it should be in the lower hand. And what we need, it will be dynamically rendered. So first of all, we need dashboard. Dashboard user data dot role is equal to admin, then admin, otherwise user. Okay, so it will dynamically render. So if the user role is admin, it will go to the admin dashboard, otherwise user dashboard. Okay, so let's see. So if we log in, and first of all we are logged by Khalid, who is admin. So have a close look. It is redirecting where dashboard admin. It's okay, but admin, but I am not getting the message. Dashboard. Yes. Sorry, there is a typo over here. BOARD. Dashboard. Let's see. So if we log in once again, yes, boom. So it's a great achievement, I think. So this is admin dashboard. Okay, so we had to do nothing. Based on the role, it is automatically redirecting to the admin dashboard. And if I log in and say this is the user, if I registered him, he is user, not admin. You see, user dashboard. So we can log out and we are getting the name. You see, after order, and along with that, you see what we are getting in the user. We are getting race data, okay, token and user. So we are getting data over here, okay, race. Say menu in the user. So in the user we are getting data. So name is coming from here. So hello username. So as we are getting data in the user, so hello.name. You see hello.name, hello.name, hello.email, hello.role. So hello.name. Say you are making another line and say your email, please. I'm just showing hello.email. Email is coming, but it is unnecessary. We don't need that. Just for showing, I am showing these things. So this is hello.name. Okay, hello Shakil. So we are redirect. We can redirect to the user dashboard. This is user dashboard. If we admin, we can redirect to admin dashboard. This is admin dashboard. But thing is that if I am a user, say I am merely user, not admin. So this is user dashboard. So if I go to the admin, I can. No, I cannot. We are also successful here is because, can you remember, if you come over here, routes, admin routes. So admin routes, to be admin, we need to have user, and user role must be admin. Otherwise, it will not go to the child component of. This is the child component of admin route. This is the child component. This is the child component of private route. This is the child component of admin routes. So for admin routes, if he is not admin, it will load, because it will not get by outlet, it will not get its child component. Then it will load the loading page and redirecting to the login page. Okay, that is happening over here. So if I go to the dashboard, say I am logged out, So this is the I am redirecting to the login page. So our functionality is working perfectly, and this is a tremendous features. Okay, admin dashboard name menu. So I am removing the console log as it is no longer needed. If you don't understanding anything, just console log or JSON stringify and try to use it and try it. Try to get these things. Everything will be crystal clear. And if you don't even understand, don't hesitate to shoot the comment, question, raise the questions. I am happy to serve you. Okay. So we achieved our journey. So if anyone register, say register, you will go to the user dashboard if he's user. So dashboard. I am going home. If I going as I am logged in as a user, so I am redirecting to the user dashboard, not admin dashboard. Okay. So I am going to the shopping page. If I click dashboard, I am going to the user dashboard. But if I am admin, say I'll redirect to the admin dashboard. So I am coming home and dashboard, admin dashboard. So admin can go to the user, but user cannot go to the admin. And this functionality also done. So if I try to go to the admin, it is not possible. It is not possible for this route, admin route and private route. Okay. So if I log out, if I try to go to the dashboard, say merely dashboard, I cannot. If I try to go to the dashboard dot user, as I have no token, as I am not login, so it's natural that I have no token, so I cannot go over there. Okay, done. So everything is working perfectly, and it's a tremendous feature. Try to do the code you will get in the GitHub. So even though if you have problem, you can let me know. I will be happy to serve you. Okay, thank you very much. So in the previous video, we have created this portion, and one thing I have forgotten you to see to let you know is that if we log in, so we are getting this data in the local storage. Okay, so if we log out, the local storage data is erased. Okay, so that was the functionality. Log out, you see logout we are removing auth. Okay, and another thing we have a conditional rendering. So right now we are seeing register and login, but if we register, we will not see the register. See, register is not here because as we are logged in, so showing the registration is merely useless, and login is also useless. Rather, we are showing dashboard order and logout functionality. Okay, so if we log out, we are getting register and login. Okay, so these things are done, and for the next video, what I have done, I am creating some static HTML and HTML file, not dynamic, merely HTML. That's why I am not coding in front of you, and that is if I log in as a merely user, you will navigated or redirected to the user, normal user. Welcome to the dashboard. This is the user profile, and you see I have created dashboard admin user dashboard. Okay, so just HTML is there, and this is dashboard for admin. Just HTML is there, and I have created two raw nav for admin menu and user menu. You see, this is admin menu and this is user menu. So if I log in as an admin, I will get admin menu. This is the admin menu, and automatically I am redirecting. So dashboard admin. So I will get dashboard user. Okay. So these things I have just created two files. So don't get me wrong. Why I am not coding in front of you is because this is merely HTML, nothing else. HTML and tailwind, nothing else. No dynamism is over here. No dynamic coding is over here. So this is admin dashboard. This is user dashboard. Okay. So we need to bring functionality over here, and we are bringing user menu over here, and we are bringing admin menu over here. Okay. So if you, even though if you have tough time in understanding, let me know. I will make you understand in every detail. So as I am making separate video for that, as I am creating separate branches, GitHub branches for that, so it will help you for practicing if you get the merely HTML file. Okay. So total 4 files have been created: admin menu, user menu, and we are connecting two menus. Admin is admin menu and user is user menu. Okay, and this is merely HTML and tailwind file, nothing else. So from the next video we will include dynamic something. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial. Okay, thank you very much. So welcome back. Until now our admin dashboard is static, nothing is dynamic over here, so we need to do it dynamic. Okay, and for that, we have user. So const user use selector, React Redux state, root state, root state is not from the React query, root state from Redux store. Okay, and root state dot use reducer. So in the user we have everything. You can console log. So there is a problem. Can you notice when we refresh the login credentials, it's log out automatically. Is because we need to have some functionality. If we refresh, it will stay over there. We'll do it later. So we are login once again. So you are getting user. You see. So how you are getting user. And another thing I need to show you in the reducer what we are getting. We are getting user API. You see, use reducer. Okay, so we are getting user. You see, Khalid. So you have to have this Redux Chrome extension installed in your browser, otherwise you will not. So we are getting token admin at everything. Okay, So what the main thing I want to show you is, because you need to see the, you will see the object. So in the object, user dot, if I write user dot name, I will get Khalid. If I write user dot email, I will get the email. If I write user dot role, I will get admin. Okay. So I'm gonna show you. I'm removing it, and here it needs hello user dot name. Okay. Come here, refresh. It will locked out automatically. No worries. We are logging it once again. Hello Khalid, you see? Hello Khalid. So right now we are getting dynamically. So here we wanna show user dot role. So this will user dashboard or admin dashboard. Okay. And not only that, we need name. The name should be user dot name. This is optional. If we doesn't get the value, it will don't show us any error. User dot email and admin, or you can give user role. Okay, you can give user role also. Okay, so we will get, you see, Khalid admin information. Okay, so along with that, if we go to the normal user dashboard, we have not done it yet, so we need to make it dynamic also. So let's make it dynamic. So for that, we wanna bring this user from our reducer. You see, the smartness of this coding. We just used on time. We are creating the reducer. So every time when user token is needed, we can just call the user from use selector. This is coming from use reducer. Okay, so user. So we need this user. We need use selector. We need root state. Okay, so no error. So hello Shakil means hello user dot name, and welcome to the dashboard. So user role dot dashboard. Okay, welcome to user dot role dashboard. And user menu, here we need user name, user dot email, user dot role. So our users dashboard will be dynamic also. You see, it's not dynamic. Now Shakil command name role. Role is user, but there need to be a space, I think. So if we give a space, some space, I hope it will work. Yeah, the space is working. So hello Shakil Kamran, welcome to the user dashboard. So previously got admin dashboard. So both our admin dashboard and user dashboard are dynamic. Okay. Okay. So now we need to navigate to the create product, translate, manage user, transaction. Sorry, transaction, manage user, everything. Okay. You can do this like that also in the admin dashboard. Okay. Name Khalid, email, user role. So, hello Khalid, this is admin dashboard and previously you saw user dashboard and conditional rendering. I have forgotten to show you for this code it's working as a conditional rendering. So if we have user, then we wanna show dashboard, order and logout. Otherwise, this is otherwise, okay, conditional rendering. You have to have basic understanding of React, otherwise it's tough to understand, okay. Register and login. So this is conditional rendering and it means it should be like that. Say if we have user, then if we have user, then do that, otherwise do that, like that. Okay, so this is conditional rendering. So our everything is working just fine. So from the next tutorial we will do another thing. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon.